The 12V 100Ah LiFePO4 battery by HYSINCERE offers an impressive lightweight design, making it an ideal choice for replacing traditional lead-acid batteries. This lithium battery boasts an exceptional cycle life, providing over 15,000 cycles at 60% depth of discharge, which ensures longevity and reliability. Equipped with a robust built-in battery management system, it safeguards against overcharging, over-discharging, and short circuits, ensuring safe operation in diverse environments. Its compact design allows for easy compatibility with Group 24 battery boxes, making it a convenient drop-in replacement for various vehicle types. The flexibility to expand its capacity with a 4 Series 4 parallel connection makes it versatile for different energy storage needs, from recreational vehicles to home energy systems. An integrated LED display provides real-time voltage and capacity information, allowing users to monitor the battery status effectively.